sa sunny day, nasisilaw naman ako, oh. Oh. There.
I give this to my teacher.
Oo, may pasalubong si Irela sa teacher. Yan, show it. What's that? You know how very thoughtful Irela is. Show it. Wow.
Because last time it was her birthday. In September.
May bibigay siya sa teacher niya. Sino ba yan?
Teacher Laika.
Hindi, yung ano bibigay mo?
BTS.
Sa BTS card.
Mima, what do you call a birthday is done, ma? How do you say it?
It's a post-birthday gift. Post-birthday gift.
But how do you say happy birthday when you're...
Belated. Say belated happy birthday, teacher. Pala niya yun. Nakakataot ka naman ni Rela.
Belated?
Apo.
Can you say it again?
Yeah, I say belated happy birthday.
Good morning, Teacher Jessa!
Bye-bye. God bless.